Do you ever think twice before crossing the street? A new national report says the Houston metro area is becoming more dangerous for people walking.
Yeah, safety advocates believe this is not just a pedestrian problem, but a public safety issue for everyone who uses our roads. KPRC 2's Andy Sirota explains why the solution is not just changing driver behavior, it is changing the way our streets are designed.
If you drive, walk, bike, or even just cross the street, this report should get your attention. The latest Dangerous by Design study shows Houston's pedestrian fatality rate is getting worse, not better, despite years of safety campaigns. For years, the conversation around pedestrian safety has often started after a crash. But safety advocates say the biggest change may come before that, by changing how roads are designed in the first place. Link Houston's Robin Holzer says the most effective approach is making safety part of every future project.
Where we get the most bang for the buck is when we change design standards so that every project where a private developer or a city or a county is improving a street or putting in something new, that we make it safer from the outset, that we fix it first, and then we get that benefit over and over and over.
The city of Houston has already updated its roadway design standards, and now Harris County is working on a similar approach. The goal? Streets that better protect everyone who uses them, with features like better lighting, more visible crosswalks, pedestrian refuge islands, protected bike facilities, and designs that help slow traffic. The push for change comes as the latest Dangerous by Design report shows the Houston metro area is getting worse. It ranks 34th among the most dangerous large metros for people walking, up from 38 in the previous report. Between 2020 and 2024, 986 people were killed while walking. That's not just a statistic. That's someone's family member, a friend, a neighbor, or someone trying to get home. Advocates tell us the issue isn't just about how people cross the street. It's about roads that were often built to move cars quickly, not always to protect people walking, biking, or using transit. Link Houston says the impact goes beyond fatalities. Using text.crash data, the group found more than 13,000 pedestrian crashes in Houston over the last decade, with an estimated cost of more than $3 billion. Advocates say changing a region that covers more than 600 square miles won't happen overnight. It will take time, money, and a long-term shift in how streets are built. Safety advocates say the goal isn't to blame drivers or pedestrians. It's to build streets that are more forgiving when mistakes happen. Andy Sirota, KPRC 2 News.